Dream without fear, love without limits. Today we are going to see a poem which is based on love, affection, friendship, and more importantly, to speak gently. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new poem from the third unit of your first term. The name of the poem is Your Space. This poem is written by David Bates. David Bates is an American writer who was born on 6th March 1809 in Indiana Hill, Ohio. He worked as a clerk in Buffalo, New York. He worked in a mercantile house in Indianapolis, Indiana. Later, he settled in Philadelphia with his family. David Bates is a man of letters and has contributed to journals. In 1849, he published a volume of poetry called Ullin. Speak Gently and Childhood are two of his famous works, which gained worldwide reputation. Speak Gently is translated into various other languages. David Bates died in the year 1870. This poem, Your Space, emphasizes the importance of speaking gently. The author advises everyone to speak gently as the effect of speaking gently is good and long-lasting. Mild and loving words can heal even the broken-hearted. We must be very responsible in creating an environment pleasant for everyone by speaking gently. Okay, children, now I'll read the first 5 stanzas and then I will give the explanation for each stanza. We will go into the poem now. Your Space by David Bates. Speak gently, it is better far to rule by love than fear. Speak gently, let not harsh words mar the good we might do here. Speak gently, love doth whisper low the vows that true hearts bind, and gentle friendship's accents flow. Affection's voice is kind. Speak gently to the little child, its love be sure to gain. Teach it in accents soft and mild, it may not long remain. Speak gently to the young, for they will have enough to bear. Pass through this life as best they may, it's full of anxious care. Speak gently to the aged one, grieve not the care-worn heart. The sands of life are nearly run, let such in peace depart. Speak gently, kindly to the poor, let no harsh tone be heard. They have enough they must endure without an unkind word. Speak gently to the erring known, they may have toiled in vain. Perchance unkindness made them so, or win them back again. Speak gently, he who gave his life to bend man's stubborn will, when elements were in fierce strife, said to them, Peace be still. Speak gently, it's a little thing, dropped in the heart's deep well, the good, the joy which it may bring, eternity shall tell. Well, children, I have read the whole poem to you, but today we are going to do only the first 5 stanzas. So now we will go stanza by stanza and I will give you the meaning of each. Stanza 1. Speak gently, it is better far to rule by love than fear. Speak gently, let not harsh words mar the good we might do here. In this stanza, the author tells us to rule over people by love and not by fear. Obedience of people should be acquired through love and not fear. Through love, it can last longer. Moreover, harsh words would destroy the good things that we can do in life. Stanza 2. Speak gently, love doth whisper low, the vows that true hearts bind, and gently friendship's accents flow, affection's voice is kind. In the second stanza, the author says that we must speak in a gentle and kind voice which can bind hearts in friendship and pave way for a longer and stronger relationship. Affection voice is always stronger and has a great impact on one's life. Stanza 3. Speak gently to the little child, its love be sure to gain. Teach it in accent soft and mild, it may not long remain. In the third stanza, the author tells us to be kind to the little children. If we speak gently to them, we will surely gain their affection. The child must be taught the ways of the world with love and gentle care, so that they may face the world with the same attitude. Stanza 4. Speak gently to the young, for they will have enough to bear. Pass through this life as best they may, it's full of anxious care. Bates advised his readers to speak gently to the young as they need a life full of support and care, since they are already suffering enough with all the burdens of life. They must lead life in the best possible way, and our loving and caring words would soothe their anxious minds. Stanza 5. Speak gently to the aged one, grieve not the care-worn heart. The sands of life are nearly run, let such in peace depart. The author tells us to speak gently with the old people, as they are already very tired of the troubles of life. They are worn out by the storms of life, and they are nearing the end of their days. So we must be kind and gentle with them and support them emotionally, so that they may depart the world in peace. Okay, children, now we shall see the rhyming words. In the first stanza, the rhyming words are far, mar, fear, here. Stanza 2, low, flow, bind, kind. Stanza 3, child, mild, gain, remain. Stanza 4, they, may, bear, care. Stanza 5, one, run, heart, depart. So the rhyme scheme of this poem is AB, AB. Okay, children, with this we are completing the first 5 stanzas of the poem Your Space. For homework, I want you to write the rhyming words once in your rough notebook. After that, you may go through the poem, read it once or twice, and see the pronunciation as done by me. This is for your homework. We shall meet in the next class. Take care, children. Bye.